We are fourth graders from Hambright Elementary School in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. This year, we learned about the Earth, our watersheds, how humans impact the planet, and how we can save it. To help other students understand what they can do to save their planet, we created an app called Our Endangered Earth. We are excited to share it with you.
This is our app. To get to the menu, click on the planet of our stars around it. And it will take you to the second page, which is our menu. Then in the menu, you can choose one of the topics to learn more about what you can do to save the Earth, either at home, backyard, at school, or out and about. Let's say you want to know more. Let's say you want to know what you can do to take care of the planet when you're out and about. Click on the topic out and about. There are choices like, do you really need this, plastic pollution, and more. When you click on the topic, it takes you to a page that tells you more about the problems and what you can do to help solve it. If you click on a link, it'll take you to a Google site that we made. Press the link to visit the site. When the link takes you to the site, it will either have a link to the site or an article. For the picture links, just press the picture. For the picture link that moves in the site, stay on the site while you're looking at the website. We also have a trash tracker. Click on the link to enter the Google form and record any trash you pick up. Our counter keeps track of all the litter we pick up, so we can know more what our impact has been. On a laptop, you can click on the link to visit our app in Google Slides. If you'd like, you can bookmark our app. On a phone, scan this QR code. On a phone, scan this QR code. You cannot already have Google Slides installed, or it won't work properly. If you're using an iOS system, open the app in Safari. If you use an Android system, you can open it in Chrome. We hope that you enjoy the app and encourages you to help clean up our Earth and take care of our natural resources. Together we can save the Earth. Thank you for saving the Earth. Thank you for helping save the Earth.